Welcome, in front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen like so, which will bring down your toggles, and then we can swipe down again in here to extend the list of toggles. Now you should be able to see hotspot somewhere. For me it's right over here. Once you see this toggle, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you want to select hotspot settings and start off with the password. This will be a randomly generated password in here, so I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Click on OK, and then you can before you close it, make sure you click on the check mark to save that change, and you can close this up. Now find the toggle once more, tap on it this time around, and this will enable your hotspot, allowing you to connect with other devices to your mobile network. Now once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once again. And you might want to remember about it, because hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're not using it, there is no reason for it to be running in the background anyway. Now, in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.